a good first impression. Carry a business card. I cannot even tell you how many brothers and sisters are out doing business, organizational meetings and so forth, and I ask for a business card. They don't have a business card. And they run around looking for a piece of paper. I've had people go into the bathroom, get some toilet paper, and write their information on toilet paper. You know what I did with that? The same thing you do with toilet paper. Make a good first impression. It's a lasting impression. That was number 6. Number 7. You don't spend enough time networking because a lot of people don't even think it's that important. In fact, one of the things the study said is that 60% of white people thought that networking was critical, and only 19% of black people thought it was critical. They thought their degree was more important than networking. Spend more time networking.